Padahastasana. People generally tend to round their backs while doing forward bends. But following and practicing this simple trick can help you to avoid rounding the back and also get into deeper forward bends. Come close to the wall and place the palms at the hip level. Now, slowly start walking back till the hands, head and spine are parallel to the ground and the legs are straight. Stay in this position for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now, release the palms from the wall and get into Padahastasana, maintaining the same length of the spine. Practicing this can help to create length in the spine and hamstrings to improve Padahastasana.